Hi everyone. Welcome back with the fourth puzzle of today's newspaper, Wednesday, May the 13th. This is a binary puzzle. Let me count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means 4 ones and 4 O's in a row or in a column. So let's get started. Alright, we have here a double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in one, between two ones comes an O, double one, here an O, there an O, double O, here and one, there and one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here and one, there and one. Double one, here and O, there and O. Between two O's comes an one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an one. Double one, here and O, there and O. Between two ones comes an O, and do we have them all? Between two O's comes in one, double one, here and O, there and O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here and O, there and O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O, here and one, there and one. Then I cannot continue. No, cannot continue. So I need to compare, I think. Yeah. In this first row, 1, 2, 3, 3 ones. I cannot place a 1 here, the fourth one, otherwise we have 3 O's there, 3 in a row, not allowed, so this cannot be a 1, this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. I cannot place the fourth 1 here, otherwise we have 3 O's in a row, so this cannot be a 1, this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here and O, there and O. Between two O's comes an 1. And then I think we need to compare. Is this the moment to compare? Yes. Look, this column and that column. Empty box. Sorry. Empty box. Empty box. One. 1. So these two boxes, these two digits, I need to switch them. This cannot be an O, this should be an 1. This cannot be a 1, this should be an O. Double O, we have 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the rest are ones. Double one, here and O, there and O. Double one, here and O, there and O. Then we need to compare again. Wow. Oh, this is almost the same. This box is almost the same. And this box is almost the same. Can I do something with this box? No, I cannot. I need to compare it with the columns. Do I have a no? Between two ones comes an O. Double O here, one, there, one. And I've told you these two rows are almost the same. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 and an empty box 0 0 and an empty box. So these two numbers I need to switch. We have an O here, so this should be an 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between two ones comes an O. 1 2 3 4 4 O, so the rest are ones. And now 1 2 double O here, one there, one. Between two ones comes an O. 1 2 3 4 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1 2 3 3 O's. This is number 4. Finish in 6 minutes exactly. Wow. You like this binary Sudoku? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this binary puzzle to solve by yourself or to make it by yourself. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku of today's newspaper in the additional A Tectonic, aka Suguru. So see you later. Bye bye.